Hi friends, my name is Needhika and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this creased eye makeup look. Let's get started. So I have first moisturized and primed my face and now I'm going to be doing my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush my eyebrows in upward direction. And after I have done that, I am going to fill in the gaps . It's time to use foundation now. Now I'm going to use eye concealer. I'm going to blend this thing and then after I will be using a masking tape like this near my eyes. And then start using eyeshadow. I will start with light pink color. Now I am going to be using a dark brown eyeshadow. Now I'm going to be using a concealer to draw a line like this and clean the lower portion of my upper eyelids so that I can apply a different color over there. Going to be using a black eyeshadow and will apply like this towards the end of my eye corner. Now I'm going to be using this light pink eyeshadow which is glittery towards the inner corners of my eyes like this. I'm again using black eyeshadow towards the outer corner of my eyes. Now I will be using this silver eyeshadow to separate my crease and make a line. Now I am going to be using this pencil eyeliner. After I have done using eyeliner, I am going to remove this tape. And I will use eyeliner on my waterline. Now I am using this mascara, and after using mascara I will blend my eyeshadow with a plain brush. Once I have done blending, I am using this dark eyeshadow as a contour and I will use it on my nose to make a line on both sides and on my cheekbones. Once I have done applying this dark eyeshadow to make lines over my nose, cheekbones, I am going to blend it using a blender. Now I'm going to be using this lighter color eyeshadow and apply it over my nose like this, and again I will use a blender to blend it. Now it's time to use blush. So I'm applying blush, and after I have done that, I'm going to be using a highlighter. So I'm using a shimmer and applying it like this. Moving on to using lipsticks. So I'm done using a lipstick, and now I'm using eyelash glue, which I will apply first, and after that I will use a false eyelashes, and using my fingers I'll stick it to my eyelids. And we are done. This is how the makeup finally looks. It's time to do some hairstyle, so I'm just opening my hair and lightly brushing it. Guys, do like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Also, ping me and let me know which other looks you would want me to make.